Hey guys, welcome to another short tutorial video on ACOnetwork. In this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader DC program, which allows you to view PDF documents on your computer. Don't forget to subscribe, like or dislike video, and of course share. So let's start. If you already have on your computer the installation, just skip this first part. To download this program, we need to open up some web browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, whatever you want, and on search engine like google.com, just type in Adobe Reader and press enter. On this page, the very first link is getadobe.com reader. Just click on it. The fastest way to download for your computer is to check or uncheck these checkboxes. Let's say I want extension Adobe Acrobat on my Google Chrome web browser, so I will left it, and I do not want these two things. It is all up to you if you want it or not. And as you see here, installation we will download is for Windows 10 and it will be in English language. And now it is just to click install now. After a little while it will start downloading. Here it is. Let's go back. Let's say you want for some other operating system or some other language. Just click. Do you have a different language or operating system? And let's say we want for Windows 7 language, let's say Slovenian, and version, you can select the latest version that it is available. And of course check or uncheck these checkboxes and click download now. The same thing. And here it is downloading. So next step is just click this file, which we downloaded first in English, and just wait till it downloads and installs. And here it is, installation is finished. Now if you want to launch this program, just leave it ticked and click finish. Let's close up this web browser. And here it is, Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Just click next, 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 and I will click skip. Okay, that is just presentation of this program, and that's it. If you like this video, did not like, if you have any questions, did not understand something, whatever, just type in all in the comment section below. If you like the video, of course, give thumbs up, comment the video, share the video with your friends, co-workers, and so on, and of course subscribe to my channel for more videos. Have a nice day, bye bye!